Welcome to my car and my life. On this channel we rebuild my old car I had in the 90s. We have done some rust repair and are now starting to do the finishing job on this car, so hang along. Now the epoxy primer has secured and we're gonna seal the edge. This will be a bit harder because it's hard to reach with this large gun, but I will try it. We have to do it. Maybe I can put it on the finger and screw it on. Maybe I should do that from the beginning. Yes, I think so. I can't see what I'm doing, but I feel it. I want some of this on the edge. Normally you can get stones from the wheel to touch it, but I'm gonna have this plastic skirt here. But I want to do it like it should be anyway. The square holes are the attachment points for a skirt. I need to get this plastic clip in here. I think that's good. Now we're going to put on some fairing on these spots over here. I've already prepared them with scratching them down a bit and cleaned them with silicone cleaner. So now it's just put on some fairing. I have to mix up a little more putty. I have 2 more spots on this fender and a little one in the rear. Yesterday I got all the fairing compound on all over the car, and we're gonna start to fairing today. The only thing I miss is the light I've been looking for. It had been, if I had the light I can fair them and get them to fit better and do that at the same time. But I don't have them right now. Another thing we have to do is remove these things here, the ventilation here. And for that I need a heat gun, and I don't have a heat gun here. So that will wait for later, because these ones need some small repairs. Not much, but they have to do that. So a day of fairing today, and we probably have to put on more fairing a couple of times on the spots, but we have to start somewhere. So let's start now. 240 grid on this kind of paper with some soft edge, and I also have 240 in this. It's a round thing that I use on this. It's a little bit soft, this too. Really like this one. So we're gonna start with that. It has a little bit of curve to it on both ways, so you don't have to go too flat. I like to start in the ends to get the transition right, then feel how the rounding should be. Here we start getting through. Can't do any more there, but or else I need to tap it in so it buckle in a bit. But there we are, down to metal. That means I already got too far, and then have to lay on some more epoxy grounder. Some spot here is a low spot, and here is a low spot. Then we move on to the next one. Don't you just love working on the floor? We have to do what we have to do. I put something between here so I get some space, so I don't scratch up this surface when I'm doing this. Let's start. This edge should be very straight, so a long board should be better than this one. But of course I don't have one here. Let's see how it goes. I think it's a little bit rounded on this curve like that, but flat on that side. Fairing, 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 and more fairing. This is behind the rear bumper, so no one gonna see it, but why don't do it perfect when you can? This is good, because I don't get scratches on the door. Oh, finished with the first round. Now we will do it all over again. Pull with more fairing and ferret. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.